Folks, we just saw $900 billion drop into the economy. And guess what? A lot of that money is going into healthcare, biotech research, not from the individual people, not from the economy, which is not that great, from the government. And whenever the government puts money into something, that industry grows. That's why right now I want to talk about biotechs to watch in 2021, because I think they're going to be a hot sector, especially under the Biden administration. So pay attention and pay attention good. COVID-19 has been a big wake-up call about the ultimate importance of what happens in laboratories around the world. And this wake-up call also extends to financial markets, where we can find biotech stocks to invest in companies behind the labs. This in turn is driving up the market for leading biotech stocks as tracked by the S&P Biotech Index that's given us about 59% so far in 2020. So there's two stocks. One of them actually is a REIT that I want to talk about that I think will give you some good returns and offer you a good return versus risk for 2021. Ticker symbol is Alexandria Real Estate Equities, ticker symbol ARE. It's a REIT that invests in medical labs. The company has done this for a long time, and shareholders have seen a return over the past decade over about 230% plus. And labs are not an easy business. You got to know what you're doing. So putting your money in individual companies, especially in biotechs, can be risky. That's why biotech REITs are smart, because you get a protection of having multiple companies in the same investments, like a mutual fund. And they should be in a location near major universities, folks that biotech companies need to come up and prove out new products. And they need to be sterile with controlled water, natural gas, and all their other jazz. There's a lot of technological and biotechnological requirements. ARE holds many in-demand properties. They know what they're doing. Dividend yield for the company, for the stock, is 2.49%. Relative strength is strong, with ETF trading near all-time highs right now. I like this ETF, and I think we're going to see good gains in 2021 from ARE. The price target is about $205 per share, in my opinion, over the next few quarters. Next stock is Zoetis, ticker symbol ZTS. Zoetis discovers, develops, manufactures veterinarian medicine and vaccines to complement diagnostic products and genetic tests supported by a range of services. That was a mouthful. Basically, it's a biotech company for animals. This is a go-to company for animal health. It's the leader in vaccines for livestock and pets, along with all sorts of must-have drugs and other products for both companion animals and livestock. It's given us returns of 556% over the past decade with its laboratory-developed success. 5-year return, 235%. 5-year revenue growth, 31% almost. 5-year earnings growth, over 131%. Here's the part I love the best. Dividend growth, 127% plus over the last 5 years. Price target, 210%. I think these two stocks, well, this REIT, which is an ETF, and the stock, should offer great performance going into the first half of 2021. Hope that helps. Folks, trading expert James West and I were able to put together huge gains under President Donald Trump, especially in 2020. Between us, and I don't mean to brag here, we put together 554 winning trades that totaled a 1,831% net gain. That's net gain, taking account the losers and the winners. Man, I love it. And we're not ready to say goodbye to those results either. And either should you. That's why we've developed a strategy for trading in 2021 under President-elect Joe Biden. This strategy is built to maximize your returns at less than 15% risk. In this Turning Point event, we're giving away our strategy as well as some of our top picks for the year. Click on the link below to learn how you can get them now. You do not want to miss this.